Yeah,
it's worthy. It's worthy.
The hell is this?
I bought it either. So what is this? Yeah.
Yeah. So are they? Is that called toxic?
Why is that toxic? What's your color?
Salt. It's not toxic.
You don't eat it.
So what do you want me to do?
I guess we'll just put it back in.
Start it again?
Yeah.
Why? With more dishwasher soap this time.
No, you gotta run like a rinse cycle. Yeah, should we just stop it first?
Yeah, because it's still coming out.
How big would be?
Wow! Yeah, but
where's the camera?
I do have the camera.
I'm so sorry!
Alright. Should I just put the roll inside and it'll absorb?
Yeah, no. Take the, because it's really hot.
Yeah.
Oh, really hot.
Shovel?
Shovel.
Where's the shovel?
Oh man, that's like a giant ass.
Well,
yeah.
No! No, it's on, like a Philip.
well, these things have a natural drain in them.
This is what happens
yeah.
when you
just run a rinse.
Well, yeah,
That thing does not say anything.
Want to wash your clothes and dishes at the same time.
Ow. Bread.
Well, I mean, that box is like, it'll be Chinese.
Do a run and rinse schedule and hope everything goes to plan.
What?
Do a run and rinse schedule and hope everything goes to plan. Cycle.
Okay, but it's leaking off.
Well, hopefully not. Maybe it's just the heater.
It's not leaking, it's just fucking... Okay, that was a mess.
Or is it just the bubbles that are like...
More towels. You can use this jacket to absorb it.
Let's try and solve this problem with the whip. Just whip the dishwasher and see what happens.
Okay, can I see this? There it is. Only leaking inside. I'm washing dishes for you.
Fuck it, I'll get the hose.
That's what I was thinking.
Did you just say getting the hose?
Well, like, what's that? It's just gonna rinse it, but you're still gonna...
Yeah, that's a
I
hell.
thought that's a good idea, man.
Why?
To add more water to it?
Yeah, it's just gonna drain now. It's good.
Doesn't it only open the drain? Okay, whatever.
You could just run a rinse.
Yeah. Probably the heat that's not actually going crazy with the heater.
Why were you so calm about that?
It was pretty funny.
No, like, when you calm down, it's like, kind of a little bit
It's
blowing.
not a...
It's not a big deal, no one's
Well,
dying.
so I would be tripping balls if I would have seen that first.
Like, I don't need my daughter in here.
No, we got enough. I'm like the 9/11 photographer.
Can you get rid of the stove?
Here.
Bad idea written all over, but whatever.
Wait, you attach it?
I don't usually do
Is it outside? Already attached? Yeah, it's already attached.
I keep down.
Why did you give the host a mic?
Don't worry. This is gonna be messy, man. No, you're gonna make a flood.
This is all
So we're getting ready to like wash those.
Are you videoing?
It's coming!
This is what it's coming! The water's coming with your eye. Yeah, it's coming. Not very much though. It's stronger. Right down.
I'm sorry, I had some...
Oh, I can't.
This is one plastic hose.
There you go.
Where's the water going though?
I'm not sure. Probably the floor.
Okay, well... Check?
What?
No.
Fine.
It's a very complicated operation. Oops.
Mike, use your thumb.
Is there water coming?
Yeah, loads.
That's
Whoa,
enough, I guess.
there you go.
They're using the spritzer.
For the ages, man.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Why? It's funny. How much video do you have on that?
It's still coming out. Look,
It's
how much soap is
Yeah, it's coming from the...
I think the more water you put, the more it grows.
Is that the soap? Then you should take up the
Like a
leftover. Yeah.
Okay, here, I'll just like...
There you go, it's coming out, Oh shit, the slide.
What, Mike?
Okay,
stop,
close.
stop.
When did that happen?
Oh wow.
Now we stop the hose.
Put the finger up. You know why we bought extra cookies?
Yeah, those are for Miguel. I gotta turn off the fucking hose.
Can you run like a dry cycle?
A dry cycle? What the fuck is a dry cycle?
Drying the dishes. I don't know if drying cycle. Son, why are you laughing?
I never heard of a dry cycle.
No heat dry, no. Yeah, no heat dry.
Water?
No heat dry. How do you dry without heat?
Water?
Dries with water. I don't know. It's just a time when it's gonna like sit there. I don't even know how to work this. How do you work
But obviously neither does she.
What the
fuck would that be? Oh, that's nice.
Did you ever get the spooky thing? We were planning fire with?
But there's not much soap left. You know what? Let's take this outside and with the hose. Take one outside. That.
I don't know.
Yeah, red deck dishwasher. Let's go.
Like the only way I did was fire once.
Red deck dishwasher.
Somebody's dropping that. Like they're usually
That's my department. And Pablo's.
No, why? It's clean though. No, you need to. You have it the wrong way.
Okay, 5 seconds.